You started. It is 4:16 p.m. May 4th. I'm recording a new video. I don't know if I'll post it or not, just to get clarity of where I stand. Um, so I think I'm going to do Go implementation. So this is like the second task that I'll do in the replication subtask. So I already bit read all the instructions. So I'll brief you. I'll brief through the instruction once. So this is the replication section, and I have to add a new command that is info into it. And this info replication usually sends what's the role of the current branch, and uh, what's the master replic ID, master offset, and all these parameters. These are just Redis parameters that we have to know before implementing it. Okay, so in this command, I have to give the role, connected slaves, then replication ID, then replication offset. I don't think so. We have to manage all these once, like manage all these for the current task. The current task only stands for the info command, and for info command, we just need to pass in this if there is an info in the parameters, we just have to send the role master and I guess the length of the master, role master. This is 4 5, yeah, around 10 11. Okay. Mm. So let's jump into the code. This is the code that I was working on. Repository structure, just an app folder inside. I have implemented server.go. Basically, yesterday I did these changes, made port a dynamic value, whichever the user passes through the parameters, then we get the port. And after we have the port, we just implement a dynamic port number. Now the task is to implement another case, that is info. Let's start with it. I'm still young in terms of Go programming. I don't think so. I have that much information um, regarding what each and every function do, or what each and every thing, like this is fmt.sprint. This basically works as mm, this basically works as what we did in C++ printf. This is the same, so it will format the printout. So in info, let's start our response equals to, I have to print something, right? No, first of all I'll have to check if inside info we have some parameters. We'll get those parameters using args0. Yep, I think this. If let's add something. We write it. I don't have actual. I'll basically len greater than 0 and and do this and args. This is what I'm trying to do. Args0 double equals to 0 dot L2 to lower. Then I'll write replication to lower double equals to string called replication. Let's go ahead. Okay. I'll have to convert it. Actually, Programming in Python and programming in Go is very different. And asks 0 to lower double equals to replication. I'll basically send a response, and for digit I'll write this, and for string what do I have to write? I have to write the role master, right? Mm, yep. Yeah. Yes. I don't need a second parameter. I just need the length of, not this, but length of role master, right? Okay. Okay. Else I'll try and print out response as this. I think this should do. An example valid response would be this role master. The info can be used without any argument, in which case it should return all sections available. In this stage, you will just send replication as an argument to info, so you only need to support replication section. Okay, I just have to support replication. I have given a test. I have actually given this. It should not work like that. Let's see. Let's open a terminal. If I do code crafters test, did it work? So many steps. Unexpected build status. You could not fetch the result of your submission. Please try again. Okay. Did it pass on here? Running tests. Oh, test failed. Show logs. Args length undefined. Type string has no field or property length. Okay. Okay. I think I need to replace it and do this instead. Should work. If I do this, code crafters test. This should work for now. Okay. I think the error was
सत्यम
uh,
तेरे पास कोई शॉर्ट्स है जो मैं पहन सकता हूँ
किस चीज के लिए?
जिम
मतलब सब गंदे पड़े.
अच्छा मैं भी वही सीन है
Mostly this was the thing that I was missing. Strings.toLower. Yep. Let's run it again. Looks like it's working. Yep. Case is passed. I'll do the mark stage as complete. Let's view the next stage. In this stage, you will extend your info command to run a replica. Okay, run a replica of this flag. By default, Redis server assumes master role when replica flag is passed. Here's an example of replica flag. Port, I have the port, I have the replica flag, replica of localhost 3. Okay. In this example, we are starting a Redis server in replica mode. Server itself will listen to it, also connects to a master. Running on localhost port 6379 in replica, all changes from the master. We'll learn about how this replication works in later stages. Okay, I don't have to actually get this working. I just need to. We are starting a Redis server in replica mode. The server itself will listen for connections on port 6380, but it will also connect to a master, another Redis server running on port 6379, and replicate all changes from master. Okay, I'll have to look at this task and maybe I'll try completing this task in the next video. See.